Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, we bring you a beautiful story created just for you by Madani Islamic Academy for Kids. A story about two friends, Ahmad and Hamza, and how their choices shaped their results. Let's begin. Woo! One more go! I'll beat my own record! Hamza's mother. Hamza beta, your Quran test is tomorrow. Come home and revise, please. Hamza, muttering to himself, I'll study later. One more game won't hurt. Ahmad, focused and calm, today, I'll finish my revision. I want to do my best tomorrow. Ahmad's mother, gentle and loving. MashaAllah, Ahmad, I'm proud of you. Keep going, beta. Ahmad, smiling softly. Inshallah, Ammi, I want to make you and Allah happy. Ahmad, calm and focused. I need to prepare well. Tomorrow is my test. Ya Allah, help me. Soon, he sees Hamza running by. Ahmad, calling out, Hamza, come and sit. We can revise together. Hamza, laughing, Not now, Ahmad. I'm having fun. Ahmad, kneeling in dua, Ya Allah, make my test easy. Help me remember everything I studied. Ahmad's mother, soft and proud. MashaAllah, my son, I'm so proud of you. You've worked very hard. Ahmad, smiling, sitting beside her. Ammi, sometimes I feel nervous. What if I forget tomorrow? Ahmad's mother, gently. Beta, when you do your best and make dua, Allah always helps. Just have trust and sleep peacefully now. Meanwhile, Hamza is lying on his bed, phone still in his hand, game still running. Hamza's mother, softly, with concern, Hamza, the test is tomorrow. You haven't even looked at your Quran. Hamza, yawning, Ammi, relax. I'll wake up early and study. But time was running out, and Hamza didn't realize it. Ahmad sits upright at his desk, headphones on, laptop ready. Ahmad whispering, Bismillah, I am ready. Narrator, Hamza, on the other hand, is confused and nervous. Hamza, worried, flipping pages. Oh no, I can't remember the surahs. Narrator, Ahmad passed his test with excellent marks. His family is proud. Ahmad's mother, smiling warmly, MashaAllah, my son, your hard work paid off. Ahmad, gratefully, Thank you, Ammi, thank you, Allah. But Hamza did not pass. Hamza, crying, Ammi, I failed. I didn't listen to you. I didn't study. Hamza's mother, hugging him, It's okay, beta. What matters is that you learn from your mistake. Hamza, determined, I promise, I'll work hard from now on. No more wasting time. Final scene, back in the park after results. Ahmad, cheerfully, See, Hamza? Hard work, dua, and listening to parents. That's the secret. Hamza, nodding, You're right, Ahmad. I've learned my lesson. Next time, I'll be prepared too. Dear children, this story was made just for you by Madani Islamic Academy for Kids to help you succeed in your tests and in life. Ahmad, smiling at the audience. Watch this story before your exams and study with your heart. Hamza, pointing up.
If you enjoyed this story and lesson,
You can learn many more beautiful stories and teachings.
you can also contact us at
+44 7480 676283
Or visit our website.
www.madaniislamicacademy.com.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.